What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a few weeks that I haven't posted anything. Mostly it's because of the weather. I do a lot of painting here in the channel, and through the cold weather, I just prefer just to wait it out. Uh, Days have been just awesome, sunny, like a few things have changed. One of them, check it out, I finally got some square tubing, some 2x2s, 3x3 square tubings, some purlings, and I managed to close up the front of my garage. So it's corrugated steel, used, but I threw some paint on it, and that's at least going to help me with any wind or direct sunlight hitting any vehicles or parts that I'm painting on. Uh, Other than that, I also went ahead and I took out the 29-gallon air compressor, the Central Pneumatic, because I had two. I had the McGraw and I had the Central Pneumatic, both from Harbor Freight, 29 gallons, motor, compressor. And I did several paint jobs with this compressor and it worked okay. I didn't have any trouble, especially because I was painting mostly like my vehicle, small parts, panels, color match, and stuff like that. But I always thought about jumping up to bigger vehicles, other people's vehicles, and I didn't want to take the responsibility with a small compressor. So I went ahead and brought my 60-gallon DeWalt air compressor from the garage that we have in town. The garage is just being used as storage, so it's been a while that I haven't used the compressor. So I brought it back to the house and I connected it here. So that's what I am using. With the same air supply setup, just from across the house coming this way, I have a water separator and a dryer, and then the hose. But now I have the 60-gallon air compressor, so I have enough air feed. I have the front end covered, and today I just have just a quick fender that I wanted to test out a paint scheme. There's a car show coming up, the second annual actually, of the Pit Boss Cook-Off and Car Show competition. So last year we went to that one. That was when I did it's a color shift paint job on the car where I used the black base coat, and then it was a combination between Land of the Rising Sun and Sumo Wrestler, both color shift pearls. And I took that to the car show and I got top 20 on the car, so that was pretty cool. So right now, I currently have a different paint job, which is the Lavender, which is a lavender base with the crystallization effect with black, and then the Geisha Doll blue to purple color shift over that. So that's what I'm working with right now. And I was thinking of changing the color to something different. I do have my test panel set up so that I can spray some base coat, some pearls, and just come up with something. So let's go ahead and start the video. So the first thing that I'm spraying is a white base, and that was one of the colors that I was considering for my car, just a white base with pearls over them, and we'll see what that comes out. So I went ahead and sprayed 2 coats of the white base, and after that I'm using some tape and drape, and I'm splitting the panel in half. So this is going to allow me to spray a different color base coat on the other half and experiment 2 different colors. For the second half, I am using black, which is a perfect base coat when using pearls, especially if you're using any color shift or interference pigments. Black is definitely the way to go. This is Inner Coat Clear by Auto Paint HQ, which is basically a clear base coat that you can add the pigments to. And this one mixes on a 1-to-1. So I'm using a total of 10 ounces already mixed of the inner coat. And as far as the pigments go, I'm using Galactic Ghost Blue, which is 4 grams. And I'm also using Geisha Doll, which is a color shift, blue to purple. I'll be using 2 grams. Between those two combined, I'm using approximately 75 grams per sprayable gallon. And here's our test panel with the white and black base coats. So let's see what it does. Mire, todavía no tiene clear, pero aquí está el experiment. White, black base. Galactic, Ghost, Blue y el Geisha Doll. So el Geisha Doll es el Blue to Purple color shift. Nomás que tiene como un poquito de el Galactic Blue. Kind of looks like flake, a little bit. Y acá es nomás white. Todavía no tiene clear, pero ya con el clear se va a mirar machín. The final step of this process is going to be the clear coat, and I am using U-Pole clear coat, which can be found at your local O'Reilly's or Auto Parts store, or of course find it online. And I'm spraying 2 coats of this one. Alright guys, so I'm done spraying the test fender. I'm going to play the clip so you guys can just watch it and leave me some comments and tell me what you think. I am not 100% set on these colors. I just wanted to experiment with them, the white and the black base. But with as far as the pigments go, there's actually 3 different sizes for the Ghost, which is the Ghost, Glimmer, and Galactic. It's just particle size. You'll see a little bit of the graininess on the Galactic. Compared to Ghost, which is just very, very fine dust. It's just interference pigments. If you spray it over black, it completely changes the color from black to any other color. On white, it mostly just gives you the effect. So let me show you guys the fender. I'll let it play and tell me what you think. First, let's look at the color. It actually looks very nice. I mean, it's still black base from a blue when the light hits it to kind of purple once the light passes away. It's over here, so it comes into purple. Now for the white, it looks white in every angle. When we introduce the light, we have the pearl. So I think it's just a white car with pearls. Just the pearls, blue, purple, and it's slightly oversized. The Galactic Ghost Blue, bigger particle size than the Geisha Doll on its own, which is a smaller one. This one's Geisha Doll. Well, they're both Geisha Doll with Galactic Blue combined. So you would only see the color shift without the particles, without the sparkle on the Geisha Doll on its own. And then over here, I think there's the fender. Let me see if I can. Right now, there's not a whole lot of sun, but instead. Okay. What do you think? Okay, so here is the final result. Keep in mind, colors may vary. This is just to get an idea of what the effect will do. Over the white base, over the black base, the colors that I used, the pearls, are the Galactic Ghost Blue and the Geisha Doll color shift, blue to purple. So mixed in together over the white, they're both interference pigments, so they don't change the color on white. On black is where everything is mostly at, but looks very, very nice. I don't have my flash on, but we can see the color, the blue, and then the purple comes afterwards. So that's from the Geisha Doll. And then, well, if I had the flashlight, we could see extra sparkle, extra metallic in there. And that's coming from the Galactic Ghost Blue, so it'll be blue. But over on the white base, we can see some of it, you know. So it'll reflect the effect of the pearl once there is sun. But those are some of the color options over white and over base. I like them both. I would like this one, but my car has a few dents or dings or whatever. And of course with the black base, because once we get to a certain angle, the color is going to be black. Then the blue and the purple comes in. So black is the worst for dents. You'll see the imperfections everywhere. White, it's so bright that you can't really tell, and it doesn't change the color. So, all right, guys. So that's going to be it for today's video. I just wanted to, keep you guys updated on what's going on. Some things have changed, and I'm still working, especially like on ventilation. I just need some ventilation. I want to paint this back wall in white. Finish painting the front wall white. Just give the whole interior of the garage a white base coat, so it feels more, brighter, more roomy in here. And other than that, leave some comments about, pearls. I know some of you guys, have requested some colors, like keep experimenting with the flame red that I had. Just throw some pearls. Some people have asked me for the silvers. This is the basic colors, the black, white, and silver. There's a ton of cars in the street. So we'll see what kind of experiments we can do with those colors and make those rides just stand out in traffic. As far as the car show that's coming up, I think it's on April. So I still have, about 2.5 months to to get prepared for the car show and see if we can make it with a nice custom color by then. I pretty much have almost all the materials, but someone also asked me to experiment with the that burgundy color from the Chevy colors, the maroon. I have the Ghost, Glimmer, and Galactic red, so I want to experiment with those as well. To say my goodbyes, thank you guys so much for watching and leaving some comments. It's just nice we have some great weather and being able to paint something. I have the space available and possibly take on some bigger projects or more projects this year. Last year, I'll agree, it wasn't the best one for me, but we all go through some things. So I do have some goals, which looking forward to the future. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.